topic is efficient location of related literature. Researchers in the past are manually search information related to their topic from the libraries and decide what keywords or descriptors best fit to the topic. Using key terms, seeking topic through the periodicals indexes to locate relevant articles, making sure that all relevant bibliographic details, author, title, journal name, data, volume number, and pages are being noted. Hence, manual searching is time consuming and inefficient. Most universities and colleges and many public and private libraries subscribe to indexing and abstracting periodicals that are incorporated into several databases that can be searched by computer. Computer can search for many topics say simultaneously and combine them using logical concepts known as Boolean logic from the logic system developed by 19th century English mathematician George Boole. The essence of Boolean logic lies in the use of three terms and, or, and not, which are used to the computer how the investigator wants it to deal with the various constructs relevant to the study. Fourth topic is indexing and abstracting databases. The vital for locating primary sources in our field are indexing and abstracting. Databases that combine several of these indexing abstracting periodicals are very useful because we can ask for our key terms of interest and the database will identify the journal articles by journal, date, volume number, and pages that include our key terms. A search for ERIC system is an important step in the quest of related literature, but the researcher cannot assume that when this step is finished, the quest is completed. Material relevant to our question may not have been included in the ERIC indexes. Other educational focused periodical indexes. Education Index is one of the standard indexes which has been published since 1929. This index lists articles in 478 periodicals, yearbooks, bulletins, proceedings, and monographic series. Education Index is the best source for locating journal articles published prior to the establishment of ERIC, but its disadvantage is that it does not include abstracts. The H.W. Wilson, the publisher of Education Index, has since 1994 produced the electronic database, Wilson Education Abstracts Full Text. This database provides abstracts of articles in Education Index as well as the full text of articles from the 150 journals considered to be the most important in the field. H.W. Wilson Select database with over 560,000 records includes indexes and abstracts for many different professional fields, including social sciences index and humanities index. It also includes indexes to popular child development abstracts and bibliography published since 1927. Provides an author and subject approach to the areas of infancy, clinical medicine, and public health counseling and developmental comparative and experimental psychology. In other records, only ERIC is more useful to educators than PsycInfo. PsycInfo is a database with nearly 2 million records covering 2,000 journals, in addition to books and book chapters. Citation indexes. Number 1, the source index is an alphabetical list of all authors published in the journals covered by SSC during the year. Complete bibliographic information is provided for the articles published by these authors. This index identifies papers cited by the authors listed, enabling us to go backwards in time. Number 2, citation index presents an alphabetic list of the first authors of all works cited in the articles included in the source index, followed by the year, journal, volume, and first page for each of that author's cited articles. Number 3, permuterm subject index takes every significant word and pairs it with every other significant word in its title. Each word in a title is then listed as a primary term combined with each of the other terms as coterms. An alphabetical listing of the names of authors whose titles contain the words is provided for each paired primary term and coterm. The bibliographic information of each author can also be found in the source index. Number 4, the corporate address index is an alphabetical listing of organizations with which authors publishing during the year are affiliated. Under each corporate entry is a list of authors with complete bibliographic information. Indexes and databases can be accessed through the electronic aggregate database Web of Science.